easy to install, and I like to keep them on when I blow dry my hair. It comes with an 8-foot power cord, which is enough for me to use anywhere in the house. The power cord is equipped with a standard AC outlet plug, a built-in high-temperature protection switch, and a fuse, which brings a fairly safe using process. I love life. In my life, I have always pursued the perfect hairstyling tool, and I recommend the Wayfo Ion hairdryer.
In a hurry? Reach for the Andis Pro Dry Soft Grip Tourmaline Ceramic Dryer. Its 1,875 watts are powered by a high-velocity Hyper DC motor, drying your hair in less than half the time of regular dryers. Plus, its tourmaline and nano-ceramic technologies help eliminate frizz for smoother, silkier hair, while the 3 heat and 2 speed settings, plus a cool shot button, help lock in your style. The Pro Dry Soft Touch finish feels as good as it looks. This unique finish is not only comfortable in your hand, but also improves your grip. And an easy-to-clean removable filter will help keep your dryer performing at peak efficiency. Attachments include an air concentrator used to direct the airflow to a particular area and provide greater control of the drying process, and styling pick to add lift and volume.
I'm Allison, and on today's Hot Tools How-To, we're learning how to use the hairdryer to get more volume out of fine hair. Start by spritzing a heat-protecting leave-in conditioner. Then you're ready for the new Hot Tools Signature Series hairdryer. While your hair is still damp, let's give it a quick full blast to fluff up your hair and add texture. Continue until your hair is about 80% dry. Now, put the concentrator on, which is included with your Hot Tools hairdryer, and use your round brush to set the volume in the crown. This will help to lock in volume. Once your hair is completely dry, top it off with a quick spritz of hairspray. There you go! Even fine hair can be full. All it takes is you and the Hot Tools Signature Series, because everyone deserves beautiful.
The Fold & Go dryer from Andis offers big 1,875-watt performance in a compact, lightweight design and uses nano-ceramic and ionic technologies to shorten drying time and create smoother, silkier hair. The 3 heat and speed settings plus a cool shot button help lock in your style. The Andis Fold & Go Ionic dryer also includes a concentrator that helps direct the airflow to a particular area, providing greater control of the drying process. The convenient folding handle makes it perfect for travel or for storing in tight spaces, and with the push of a button, the retractable cord makes using and storing a breeze. Andis, every style, every groom, every cut.